Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating this farmhouse faux window DIY. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. And let's go ahead and get started. Step 1, you will need 2 pieces of 36 inches and 2 pieces measuring 24 inches. And these are all made with the 1 by 2 by 8 pieces. And I was able to buy these at my local Lowe's for about $1.10 or $1.03, somewhere around that line. Okay, and then second step, you'll be needing 2 pieces measuring 18 inches, cut at angles on opposite ends at 45 degrees. And then step 3 will include 4 pieces measuring 11 and 5/8. And then you'll be doing angles on only one side of these at a 45 angle. And then as soon as you've left these dry out, all you have to do is either stain it or paint it, your choice. I decided to do mine in a stain. And as you can see here, I went pretty heavy. It's a red oak stain, and I used a foam brush. It didn't take me that long to do, and I was going on pretty heavy because I did want it to go on dark, and I didn't do a double layer on this. So I just went on it pretty darkly and just let it dry for a few days and air out because I didn't want that extra smell to come into the kitchen since this is where we eat. So I just let it out, I believe it was for like 3 days or so before I was able to put it up on our wall. Okay, and I do want to go ahead and mention before I forget that I did provide the measurements for this particular faux window. However, you can make it your own if you choose to and change up the design. All you have to do is measure the wall that you'll be placing your own faux window on and tweak your measurements to fit that particular wall. So you can make it your own and you can change it up any way that you would like. Okay, and lastly, I want to go ahead and give my husband thanks for helping me assemble this. I did go ahead and design it, and he was able to help me bring it to life. So if it weren't for him helping me do the cutting and the assembling, I don't know whether or not this would have been available at this time. It might have taken me a little longer to accomplish. However, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. And I would really like it if you guys would subscribe and press that bell so that you're able to get notified when I'm uploading my videos. And I will say that I will be doing something extra for this particular faux window. I would like to accent it with a wreath, and that'll be coming later this week, so stay tuned. All right, here's our farmhouse faux window DIY. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. And I thank you very much for watching.